आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
A metallic element crystallizes into a lattice having a ABC pattern, and packing of spheres leaves out voids in the lattice. What type of structure is formed by this arrangement? Let's see this answer. Here the diagram has been attached for your reference. In this diagram, the blue atoms have been placed above the unoccupied void spaces in layer A. As you can see from the diagram given below, the blue atoms are placed above the unoccupied void spaces in the layer A, this one. And here the third layer displays horizontally. Let's write the third layer displaced horizontally from layer A. Let's name it C, layer C. That is this one. So now, as we will add more layers of atoms, this sequence will become A, B, C, again A, B, C, A, B, C, and so on. That's why it is called a ABC pattern. And the structure formed by this arrangement is cubic closed packing structure. Cubic closed packing, also known as CCP. So that is a final answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।